So in order to copy one layer of a mask to another layer of a mask, let's do this. Let me get rid of that. So if I want to bring the mask here down to there, I would hold Control and click, and that highlights the masked area. And then I'll select here, and because you see that the when you hit the backspace key, the mask or this layer is filled with anything that is in my background color right there of white. So I clicked on there, and then I'm just going to hit backspace, and then it added that to that. So quick and easy. So I select it. So basically what I did, if I'm on this layer again, and I'll use my marquee tool. So I'm going to select that, and then I will mask that. Click. Oh, let me do a different layer. So on there, and then select that. So there's the mask. So I hold Control, click, and then I can come down to the next layer. Actually, yeah, that's fine. I'll come down to this layer right there, and then I will hit backspace, and it puts it right on there, and you can see because it's in there. What if it was black? What would it do? So can I add it to this layer? Click there, and if I hit the backspace key, it didn't show up as anything because it's black. So it would, instead of filling it, it removes it. But if I switch that, make it white, and then hit backspace, then it adds it to it. So very good. Thank you.